All right, so we're asked to find tangent of 3 pi over 4. Remember that tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cosine. And on the unit circle, our xy values are really cosine of theta, comma, sine of theta. So what I want to do is I'm going to find these values and plug them in. So this becomes sine, which is actually the y value, so that's a positive root 2 over 2, all over cosine, which is actually negative root 2 over 2. And so really what we're doing is, remember that we're dividing by a fraction. So when you divide by a fraction, you actually multiply by the reciprocal. So this becomes negative 2 over the square root of 2. Okay. And so you end up with 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 1. The square root of 2 divided by the square root of 2 is 1 over 1. Don't forget that little negative sign, but our final answer is negative 1. Okay? So we have to remember the sine and cosine. We use the unit circle to find out what cosine and sine are and plug those into the identities. I'll give you a little clue. Remember that secant, these are for the other problems, is equal to 1 over cosine. So remember those identities we learned in the last section there. You're going to have to look those up. Okay? That's problem number 8 from the textbook, or I mean from the review.